Hey developer, Seagate is hiring for the machine learning Gen AI intern role and the work location is Pune. Talk about the required qualification. Currently pursuing masters in computer science, machine learning engineering, statistics or related field. Means 2026-27 batch can apply for this role and required skills is like proven hands-on or research experience in developing NLP models, strong understanding of machine learning principles and algorithms and generative AI tools and techniques, strong programming background in Python, familiarity with SQL, work experience on the various aspects of training and deployment of deep learning solution in TensorFlow or PyTorch. So these are the required qualification and details. So in this video, apply below the description and hit a like button, do comment and subscribe skill layer for more job updates.